Ah!
Ooh.
Treb, right?
Whoops.
Hey,
Another
there's our
close
brute.
spawn.
Get him.
Bomber's back close.
Cow over
And
alpha.
if your lanes are clear, we are in a buy phase until 2210. So you can go buy your stuff from the red tent.
Color is it if you're colorblind?
It's
The one without a cannon.
without the cannon.
A gray tent.
See all the fire stats.
It's
With the
medium
one-
gray instead of light
Have
gray.
all.
The one with the hammer and sickle.
I have arena.
It's a me, a Mario.
So just you three. Yankees on bow.
Did Betty leave
Yes.
because you
Yeah.
didn't put her in back?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
I guess
She got
so.
too butthurt about it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe she
Alright.
went to a different invasion.
Oh,
Maybe.
she
Jeez.
very good.
She was
Wow.
what?
Brightwood.
Went
She
to
is in
Brightwood.
Brightwood.
Yeah.
Oh well.
No way.
Hey,
She
you know?
got
Group
so
mid.
hi- Maybe she got so high she fell out of her chair.
Nice.
Oh, the high chair?
HR's
Yeah.
still
Oh yeah, HR is still open, damn it.
Whoever said that one. I'm like, oh.
Well,
That was Hipley.
Um,
Yeah,
right?
sorry.
Heavy attacks on the brute.
No way.
Alright, catch second. Good job.
Just to double check my gate callers. You guys got a healer at your gate?
We do. I do in
Brute.
mid.
Brute back, going to Echo. We got a few back here.
I think you
Yeah,
should have
doesn't.
2 at least in back.
I see green circles. So I'm
I'll
good.
give you a count in a minute.
Can I DPS fire staff
Close
back since
spawn.
Betty's not here?
Bombers.
I
right
don't know.
close.
Can you?
Bomber's back.
What are you right now? So, I
I'm
think we
mid.
have-
It's fine.
Oh,
I'm
I hear you.
joking. I'm joking. 100%.
Okay.
Right now he's monkey.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, I see. I think we had
Monkey.
3 back there anyway. Oh,
Two,
yeah, we have 3 back there. We're chilling.
Brute
Three
back,
what?
going to Delta.
Mages.
Healers.
Oh, man.
I would say it depends on how high you are.
Oh, I'm right there. But I'm not stupid enough just to leave because I didn't get what I wanted.
Now, come on. Come on.
Oh.
I'm kidding.
Got a brute mid.
The bear, right?
Wait a minute. I could leave because I'm not getting what I want?
Oh, please don't leave.
Son of
Not you, not you. And we are in a buy phase until 1920.
I'm
good
on parts on right.
Copy. Thank you.
Yep, good on left.
Oh, Borva's been sharing the hack.
Left.
What?
Oh, yes.
What?
One, two,
This is
So,
a
my
right to
wife-
invade server. You can leave whenever you'd like.
That's
Alright,
right.
later.
There's
Whoa, 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 whoa,
No,
whoa.
you
whoa.
No.
You're not going anywhere.
I call his shares.
It's shares.
To answer
We have
your
a brute,
question
right?
from earlier, we got 4 healers back here.
All
This is a
right.
publicly traded invasion.
In case you need anything in
I think we're.
Treb, right?
I'll keep all 4 healers in the back because there's a healer at each gate in the front. We're good.
Cow over alpha.
Sounds good.
That basically just means a healer
Got
per
a
gate.
brute mid.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a way to deal with the fog of war?
Cow over alpha.
No.
Yeah,
No.
Red
Well,
left.
get closer.
Go stand in the corruption.
Alt F4.
Don't
Yeah,
say
Bob's
that.
all along.
Come on, that's the ultimate boss, though.
We
God,
have a
you're so
priest on
I
toxic.
think I can
left.
take him.
You just see a bunch of slots open up.
It's like, God damn it, we just lost half the invasion.
Like, they're all gone. Alright, close spawn.
Betty, you could be
Stay
in
out
the
of
back now.
Whoa.
Wow, Bomber's back close.
Yeah, I want to end all the jokes about Betty because she's not here and we can't,
Sorry,
she can't
I'm
defend
done. I'm
herself.
done.
True that.
yeah.
That's pretty lame of you guys. Shame on all of you.
Wow.
Shame on all.
Spawn back
Okay.
out of the
You're just
corruption.
upset you didn't think of it first.
Sun on your cow.
Yeah.
I am a little upset.
Left.
Okay, I'm also gonna call it the start of wave 4 is all comms. Only gate callers will be calling. It's a little rowdy today.
You can make that call. It's okay.
A little rowdy.
I blame
Oh,
Feanor.
what?
It's pretty rowdy.
Priest, right?
Got some feral.
How the hell is that not my fault?
Bomber's
No,
back.
Everything's your fault tonight, Feanor.
That's fair. That's
It's because I'm
Just
having
shoulder
trouble
the
hearing
load,
the
man.
callers.
Just shoulder the load.
Fine. We could probably do one more wave though, honestly.
Oh god.
Heavy
what
hangs
do you
head,
think?
wears the crown.
It's up to. It's really up to
Alright.
Pat.
Good. Alright, brute back. Gun
Here
delta.
comes
Heavy attacks
priest.
on the brute.
Yo, Brick, I heard you,
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I bought a fat Glock.
oh my god.
And we are in a buy face until 16:30.
I have oil.
My grandma was in a wheelchair. She could be a bicycle.
Oh my god.
There
Oh my god.
Not sure what that means.
I don't think you want to.
Close HR for the night, Pat.
Shut it down.
Earmuffs, Pat.
Oh,
Earmuffs.
And whatever you do, don't make Magdalene mad.
Who?
Right?
Bomber's back.
Who, John?
Why?
Magdalene.
Magdalena?
Yeah.
Must be another person.
I enjoy
I'm sorry, I'm
What
in an
kind of-
evasion. I can't be using those right now.
Yeah.
what kind of gun she has.
Whoa.
Magic with the mouth.
That's what you're talking about. I get it. Brute left. Ooh, look at him stuck. I like it. Another brute left. Do it again. Do it again.
It's gonna be a
Oh, I'm really
close
getting a lot of
spawn,
lag
Stay out of the
tonight.
corruption.
No, lag's not in this one. They're in the other invasion.
Got a brute mid.
Bomber's back close.
I did
Brute
just see
back
Feanor
playing a
jump down
delta.
there. Ugh.
Bear, right?
Oh gee, that bomber snuck onto the field without me seeing
Yeah,
it.
I tried to get that
Bomber's
bomber that was under the brute, but
We almost
Yeah.
got a bomber.
Well,
on
he got
Oh,
there.
me.
back. Yeah, that's why I didn't see him.
Tag, you're it.
Got him.
Grunts up the stairs. Grunts
Way to save
headed
the
to
door.
Delta. Catch those grunts. Bomber's back.
Embrace those ground.
There's gonna be a close spawn. Stay out of the corruption.
Treb, right? Cow over Alpha.
Yeah, Treb. I can't.
Okay, I
even
got
see it.
another priest mid.
Come all the way to
Treb
that.
down.
Good job, man.
Spriggan right. Headshots on the Spriggan.
Commander left.
He's
Bombers,
freezing,
man.
boy.
Whoa! Get away from me.
No yelling, please. Be careful.
Comms.
And we are on a buy phase until 13:20.
Good
That's
panic sound.
Came right in.
It's a good thing I dodged.
Yeah, I always forget to dodge.
One time I scared my wife so bad when she was in the passenger seat that she forgot how to English.
Uh-huh.
So instead of saying car or oh my god, you're about to hit that car or look
Yeah.
out, there's a car ahead of us, she said, car coming against us.
Brute back, both sides.
And I was so
Brute back.
confused, I damn near hit the car.
Treb right.
right? It's like a bigger freak out that makes me want to swerve and hit it.
Right? I was like, I'll beat
Cow
that
over
car.
alpha.
You don't come against us, car. You
Yeah.
stupid.
Right?
Trying to catch
brute
these
left.
hands.
If you have extra points, go buy traps and set them up on the doors.
Okay, melee.
I'm also
Take
going
care of the
to
brute. Range, move to the Treb.
And you
I'm
can
also
only place
going
15.
However left.
repeat what Pancake said earlier. Let's probably just have callers on comms now.
Yes,
Otherwise it'll
please.
get
Brute right.
confusing. Trebek,
Brute right.
Brute left.
Brute back, going to Echo, Bombers back. Cow over Delta. Bombers in the field. Cow over Delta. Close spawn.
Got a bear mid.
Priest right. Let's get
Cow
Oblivion
over
down
Delta.
under him if we got it.
Cow over Delta.
Topping A. Brute left.
Bombers back.
Mid.
It was up top.
Got a brute mid.
You guys getting your life together back here?
Questionable.
Thank you for the oil. Another brute
Got a
left.
brute right.
Oh, stretch.
Commander mid.
Red back. Brute back, going to Delta. Priest back, going to Echo. Cow over Echo. Let's
And
focus the priest on Echo.
we are going into a buy phase. The next wave starts at 10:10.
Trib down. Olive back. Let's focus this priest that's on Echo.
How's that priest going? I'm back.
It's priest is down. It's just the brute on Delta. Mage is back to the field.
All right, good on repair parts. Back to you two.
Close spawn.
Okay.
Brute back, going to Echo. Brute back, going to Echo.
Brute mid.
Brightwood lost already, huh?
Treb right.
That must have been very down.
Good catch on those grunts.
Commander right. Watch the chart.
What's the status of the Sky Daddy?
1
Pancake.
minute.
At
1
8
minute, 10
minutes.
Cow
seconds.
over alpha. Brute
Alright.
right.
It's the 8 minute market that comes up.
Brute left.
Cow
Treb
over
back.
alpha.
I got it.
Brute mid.
Could get that commander down before the brute.
Cow over Delta. Trib down. Bombers back.
Commander left.
How's that commander, right, Marcy?
Yeah, we have a commander right.
How's it doing?
He's
Like
60%.
70.
Fuck, okay.
Cow over left.
Pancake, you help right. I got left.
Sounds good. I'm here.
Another brute right.
We have a second commander left.
Trib back.
Cow over left.
Thank you, Bor.
Thank you, boy.
10 seconds. Sky Daddy at mid.
Cow over Echo.
Okay, get out of the corruption. Don't worry about the bear. Let's concentrate on the
Spriggan
Sky
back.
Daddy.
Spriggan going to Delta. Brute going to Echo.
I'm on
Okay,
Cow
left
C.
over
eye
Echo.
first.
Headshots on
Priority.
Spriggan. Focus the Spriggan first.
Commanders. Caller down on.
Cow over
Mhm.
Echo.
Brute left.
Close spawn. Bombers back close.
Remember, if you die on any of your gates instead of going through the door, if you have elites on it, drop down from up top.
Grunts at the gate, right?
We are in a buy phase until 7 flat, so time to like clean up.
We
the
need
gate.
help left.
Yes.
Left back. Let's focus this.
One commander is
Spriggan.
10%, the other commander is 30%. And we have a brute and a bear.
Roots down. Down to one commander there.
Spriggan on Delta at 40%. Mages
I'm
back to the field.
Repairing
D.
Okay.
Okay. Get the bear out of the way.
It's gonna be a
Brute
close
right.
spawn. Bombers back close. Bombers
Watch
in the
the
field.
bombers. Mid.
Another bear.
It's gonna be another close spawn.
Treb right. Priest right.
Bear back.
Cow over Alpha.
Okay, here's our second Sky Daddy.
If you have the bear in back, keep it downstairs.
Left eye on the Sky Daddy.
Cow over Alpha.
And
Ah.
there's a bear.
Oh, saw that.
Yeah. I got
Treb
double
on left.
teamed.
Bombers right.
And
Respawn now.
bear.
Treb down right.
Right eye on the Sky Daddy.
Cow over left. Man, this bear.
Brute back. Going to Echo. Bombers back.
Another cow over left. Yeah. Thank you for killing that bear.
Bombers in the field.
Phew. Where's that here?
Close spawn. Bombers at the rocks.
Got a commander right. Watch the chart.
And we've got a priest mid.
Sky Daddy left.
Yep, it's that time. Range, focus on the left eye first, please. Melee,
Treb
touch
right.
the ground.
Cow over Alpha.
Commander left.
We have a bear right.
Bombers back. Brute back.
Keep the bear
going
between the
to
rocks. Don't take
Delta.
it to the gate. Cow over Alpha.
There's also a priest on Echo. Bombers in the field. Bombers to the stairs.
Cow over Alpha.
Close spawn.
Good job,
Bear
range.
back.
Cow
Concentrate
over
on that.
Alpha.
Commander, please. Ooh, we got grunts coming in.
Treb down right.
Thank you.
Commander right.
Bombers back. Brute back. Both sides.
Second commander left.
Okay, got a brute coming in mid.
Oof.
And
Get
we
on
are.
the commander, not the bear, please, guys.
Technically not. The next wave starts at 3:30.
We got two
So we have a
commanders.
bit of time
over here,
to clean
right?
up.
Yeah, we got two commanders. Again.
Someone take out the snipers on left, please.
Bombers in the field.
Is it clear? No, it's still got one commander up there. And he's healthy.
Close spawn.
Not for long.
Commander right.
And a priest.
Make sure we focus that priest first.
Sky Daddy right. All ranged on the right left eye.
Close
Thank you for the
spawn.
priest. Now get the commander out of the way.
Root back, going to Delta.
Collar right down.
Treb mid. And a
Grunt up the stairs,
Root
going
mid.
into
Treb on
Echo.
left.
Go
I'm here
catch
at
the
C still.
grunts on
Cow
Echo
over
with
mid.
melee.
Cow over but left. Their brute coming in on left. Range
Brute
focus
coming
on
right.
the Treb.
Watching A.
Preparing
Another
C.
cow over left.
Bombers left.
Bombers left.
Grunts. Good catch.
Oof,
We
there's
have a
two
brute
there.
right.
Grunts up the stairs and back, going to Echo.
Preparing. Oh,
Catch. Close spawn. Bear back, brute back, going to Delta.
Another bear right.
And there's our other one.
Orva, I'm gonna take E gate.
Okay. Yeah, we're getting there.
Oh my goodness. Bomber's back.
Another brute right.
Root mid.
Bomber's in the field.
I'm on A still.
Okay.
Bomber's
Yep.
to the stairs.
Headed to D.
Bomber's heading up the stairs. Tread
Maybe
back.
careful. Check the ground
Another
for us,
brute
please.
right. That's two
Cow
brutes,
over
two bears, and
Echo.
a commander right.
Bomber's in the field. Bomber's to the stairs.
Down. Got a
Bomber's
brute
up
on
the
the
stairs,
ground.
heading to Echo
Yeah.
and Delta. Cow over Echo.
Whoever's got
Priest
that
right.
bear
Everyone
on
changed to
D,
the
take it
priest.
away.
If there
And
are any
Sprig.
bears on the doors, take
There's a
them
command
away.
left.
Cow over Echo.
Focus on the commander, please.
Spriggan mid.
And if it's in back, that bear better be downstairs. Cow over Echo. Close spawn. Root back both sides.
1 minute warning.
Going to C.
Cow over Echo.
Collar down right.
Second commander
to
left.
right.
Yep. Two
Priest is down
commanders
on the
left.
right.
Cow over Echo.
Guide daddy mid.
Spriggan back, going to Echo. Commander back, going to Delta. Watch the charge of the commander.
We're coming in on right. Marcy,
I'll
you're
take
back.
the back
Good
two
call.
gates.
Okay.
30
I'm
seconds.
going
Whatever
to
is
I'm going to
spawned.
B.
We got two commanders and a brute on Seagate.
20 seconds left. Whatever spawn is whatever is left, so just head out of your gate.
Rotating C.
I'm gonna die.
I got E.
Good.
I'm watching D.
Thank you.
Only 10 seconds.
GG's, everyone.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Thank you.